Hello everybody, and welcome to another unboxing video by Trendi Switch. Today here we have the ART-SS2 and charcoal. Alright, let's grab our scissors. Let's open it on up. Okay, inside each box you'll get your product. You'll get a set of screws, which will be able to fit into any universal pattress box. And you'll also get a set of instructions, which I'll show you in a second. But first, let's just take a look at the product here. Okay, we'll start by giving you a 360 view. Okay, and then we'll remove the plate for installation. Nice and simple, grab at the edges with your fingers and just push forward with your palm. Comes off nice and easy just like that. Okay, at the side here, or where your screw holes are, that's where you're going to put your provided screws through to fasten to your pattress box. Flipping it on over, you'll notice at the top that it's BS and CE certified. You'll also notice that it has 3 hole terminal screws here. So you know that this is a 2-way light switch. So you can control your light switch from 2 separate locations with this guy. If you need to control it from 3 separate locations, you'll need to purchase one of the intermediates, which if you already have one of the 2 ways in your wall, these can just pop out nice and easy, and you can put the new intermediate one in there, wire it up, and you're good to go. The other good thing about these guys is, let's say you had a painter come in, and now your walls don't match anymore. No problem, these plates are all interchangeable, so you can just get one of the spare plates online, pop it on, and you're good to go. All right, take that off, put the original back on. Okay.